Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Daily one question for you. Here 3 different compounds are given. All are diketone. P is with 6-member ring, Q is with 5-member ring, R is the open ring. So you have to consider which one lose H plus easily and which is more acidic. Here the stability of anion is the deciding factor. Here if you look at the ketone, lose the H plus, form anion. So the anion, how it will be stabilized? Because of the diketone, which is sp2 hybridized carbon, it will stabilize. So diketone should be in the proper position to pull the electron and stabilize it. But if you look at the P, it is in the chair form. It is very rigid. So double bond requires sp2 carbon. It is not possible. So don't donate easily. So it will donate very slowly. If you look at the Q, the anion form above the ring because of envelope structure. So the anion never be in delocalization, it will be less acidic. If you look at the R, it's a open ring, no issues. sp2 hybridization is dominant, so anion is stabilized. So the acidity order is RPQ. Here the concept you have to learn here is, for the acidity, anion has to be stabilized. Different rings behave differently due to the position of the anion. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching.